Today we're gonna build this tent. Tiago's tips. Let's put this dinosaur tent together. This is the tent. And these are the poles that hold up the tent. Just connect these poles together and lay them down once you're done. That's how you connect it. Now we have our poles all connected. We'll build a tent. It's very easy. Now we put the pole at the top of the tent. And the other side in the black pocket. So what we do is we put the poles inside these black pockets. Then we tie a knot with the yellow string. This is how you roll it up. You eventually have to put it down and then roll it up and then tie a little knot on it. And if you want to untie it, just pull this way. There you have it. This is the tent. Time to dance and play and go in the tent and enjoy the tent. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Make sure to click the subscribe button.